It was June 2nd, 2016. Edward was born January 7th, 2014. He was 2.5 years old. My wife called me. He wasn't feeling well. He wasn't getting better. He was at Children's Hospital and they told us he had leukemia. 2.5 years old. My little boy shouldn't get sick. My little boy should never, ever get sick. He's now 9, just turned 9 in January, of course. He's in the gifted talented program. He's doing math, he's doing reading. He was so far behind because he missed school to be in cancer treatment that he's now on the other side of it. And he was a Wish Kid at Chaparral High School. That school made him royalty. Our Wish Kid couldn't be here today. So I thought, I don't know, Elizabeth, do you want to meet a Wish Kid? Do you want to meet a kid who beat cancer? What you see here is a Wish Kid, and a Wish Kid that went to, right after 2019 at Chaparral, you went to Legoland. And this kid is a master builder. He can build anything out of Legos, and still does. On this Wish trip, we healed as a family. Make-A-Wish Colorado took care of everything. We had no expenses, we had no details. They said we'd go to the airport, and they took our car, and we got on a plane, and we did our thing. It was amazing. We want to let Elizabeth High School show that they can be part of something bigger than themselves. Something that is important, and you may not have known it was important until this coming week.
Our Wish Kid, her name is Gabby. She's 7 years old, and she has melanoma, which for those of you that don't know,